Hello everyone. So let us see the general measurement system components. So with respect to the telemetry technology, which is used for sensors and transducers. So this is my general measurement system component block diagram, where basically whenever I need to record the signal which has been measured, in that case I make use of these components for measuring the any kind of a input, that is a non-electrical inputs, and converting that to the electrical inputs, and then conditioning the signal, and finally data processing. In that case I make use of these components for the general measurement system. So here basically the input for the transducers will be a physical phenomenon, where it could be a mechanical system, or it could be a any other chemical system, or we can say in general non-electrical systems. So where these are physical system which will be present, where I will be measuring the speed, or I will be measuring the force or pressure or displacement, right? So any kind of these things will be measured using the transducers. So basically in this general measurement system, in the first stage, which is nothing but your transducer, which measures the measurand based on your input, and this measurand, whatever the data is measured, we need to convert to the electrical signal. So we need to convert to the electrical signal before giving to the signal conditioner. That is an intermediate stage which consists of a signal conditioner. So here in the after the transducer when measured, so the diagram, in the diagram it has been not shown. So before going to the signal condition, so the signal will be converted to the electrical signal. So then it will be given to my signal conditioner. So signal conditioner plays a very important role. So where basically if the signal is very weak, it may strengthen the signal, or the signal is let me say it's an unlock signal. I want to store the signal in a form of a digital, then the unlock to digital conversion will take place. If the signal is already in a digital, so then if I want to store in unlock, or unlock to digital, or digital to unlock, vice versa can be done. So all this processing which happens over there, amplifications or conversion, right? So those things will take place in a signal conditioner. That is my intermediate stage. After the conversion, once again the signal will be transmitted to the data representation, or which we can say that the data can be presented, or it could be recorded and displayed for the controlling purpose. So that will be done here. So once again, before giving that, so what kind of signal it has been converted, start at the beginning, once again it will be converted back to the same kind of signal. If it is unlock signal, so in signal conditioning I need a digital signal. Unlock to digital will be used. I do the conditioning. After conditioning, and the digital signal is once again converted back to unlock. That unlock signal will be stored here. The same way happens with respect to the other thing also, right? So now what actually happens within the signal condition? So these are the few things which will be taken care within a signal conditioning block diagram, or the intermediate stage. The first one is the protection, and getting a right type of signal, getting correct level of signal, eliminating interference, manipulating of the signal. Protection means to say the signal which is measured from the transducers, which are very very important. So that I need to protect my signal. So from the measuring point to the at your data presentation point, right? The protection should be given there. And getting right type of signal. Sometimes the signal will be very weak, as I mentioned already, where we need to amplify the signal, or sometimes we need to correct the levels of the signal, that also will take place, or sometimes the signal consists of some external interference, so we need to eliminate those kind of interference, so that also will be taken place in a signal conditioning system. Finally the manipulation of signal, so that is ADC to D, or DAC, right? Unlock to digital, or digital to unlock. So this kind of manipulation will take place, and finally it will be before giving to the output side, that is displaying the signal, right? So this is with respect to the components of your general measurement system.